learners, last time we tried acrylic pouring art. Today we're going to continue to do the acrylic pouring, but today we're going to use a different technique. It's called the swiping technique. It's going to be really cool. Let's get started. Based on my last tutorial, I have finished mixing my colors I want for this one. We're going to pour paint strips one after another. You can repeat the colors you want, and when you start working, you can start working from one side of the canvas to the other side of the canvas. Leave some space at the end of the canvas so we can start pouring white paint. You need to pour a lot white paint on the end and make it cover all the empty spaces. Get a cardstock or a piece of paper, starting to swipe from the white end to the other end. It will look like this after you swipe. You can see the cells are showing up slowly. It will get very pretty. You can also start to tilt the canvas so the paint will flow and cover the areas that hasn't been covered by paint, and the pattern will change too as you tilt. Another way of creating unique patterns is to blow the paint. You can also use the torch to heat up different areas to create more cells and make it cool looking, but you don't have to if you don't have one. After all the previous steps, if you are still not quite satisfied with your painting, you can continue to tilt it till you are satisfied with it. Okay, this is how mine turned out. I'm quite satisfied with it. What do you think? Remember, it takes about 1 to 2 days for it to be fully dried. I hope you get to try it at home and have a lot of fun. I will see you next time. Bye!